Let me show you how to increase your video graphics memory in Windows 11 or 10 with a simple trick. Whether you are a graphic designer, a video editor, a video gamer, an architect, or even a casual computer user trying to run complex applications that require more video memory, then this tutorial is for you. It doesn't matter whether you are using Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD graphics, this works on all of them. By doing this, you can improve your system performance and also boost the FPS in gaming and applications. First of all, let's check our current graphics memory. To do that, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Next, click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Here, you will see information about your graphics card. In my case, the manufacturer is Intel. If you look closely, you will notice that the total available graphics memory is 2176 MB, but the dedicated video memory is only 128 MB. We can adjust this using our system RAM and the registry editor. I have prepared these recommended values for you. You can also find it in the description below. Now let's open the registry editor. To do that, right-click on Start. Then click on Run. Then type regedit and press enter. Then click Yes. Once inside, double-click on HKey Local Machine. Then click on Software. Then now look for your graphics manufacturer. Since I'm using Intel graphics, I will select Intel. If you are using AMD or NVIDIA, you will also find them here. Just follow the same steps. Now I'll right-click on the Intel folder. Select New, then Key, and name it GMM. Please make sure that this is in capital letters, then press Enter. Next, on the right hand side, right-click again, select New, then DWORD 32 value if you are using 32-bit Windows, or QWORD 64-bit value if you are using 64-bit Windows. To check your Windows version, go to Search, type System Information, and click on it. Here you see your system type. Mine shows x64 base PC, which means it's a 64-bit Windows. If yours shows x86, it means it's a 32-bit Windows. When I scroll down a bit, you also see the install physical RAM. In my case, it's a 8GB RAM. Now here, since I have a 64-bit Windows, I will choose QWORD 64-bit value. Now, name the new value exactly like this. Dedicated segment size with a capital D, S, and the last S. Make sure there are no spaces. Now double click on it and enter the value based on your RAM size. Since I have 8GB of RAM, I will set the value to 2048. Then click OK. After that, close the registry window. Now restart your computer and you should notice a significant boost in system performance and FPS in games. One more tip, make sure your graphics driver is up to date. To do this, right-click on Start, go to Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers whilst your computer is connected to the internet. If you get a message saying the best drivers for your device are already installed, what you can do is to visit your graphics card manufacturer's official website such as Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD and manually download and update the drivers for your graphics card. I will leave their links in the description below. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I would love to hear from you if you have tried this method before. Please let me know in the comments below. So that's all for today. Please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching, have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.